Strand number 2. Numeracy, scientific thinking. Direction. Read each item carefully and then select the correct answer on your answer sheet. Blanken the circle of the letter that corresponds to your answer to the item. Example: 4 over 5 minus 1 over 3 equals A. 5, 8, 1 over 2, 2, 3, or 7 by 15. The answer is D. Begin here. Rowena, number 1, received her monthly salary today amounting to 14,500. She paid her house rental of 6,500. Then her friends paid her 1,500 for the money she borrowed from her last month. Then she bought some grocery amounting to 400 pesos. How much is her remaining balance? 918812 10,000. Mang Andy has a poultry in his backyard. He bought 10 ducklings at 8 pesos each. He spends his 200 pesos each week for the feeds, and 6 weeks to the ducks can be sold already. How much is his total expenses before the ducks can be sold? 800, 820, 200, or 1,280. Number 3. The pictures is 3 1/2 1/4 or 3 1/4 times bigger than a cup. If the cup is 4 1/2 FL ounce, about how many FI ounce is the volume of the pitcher? A, B, C, D. There were 1,400 voters in Barangay Pinagbuhatan last year and 2,369 voters this year. Of this data, 860 are 18 years old. Which of the following can tell us the number of those who are not 18 years old? A, B, C, D. Jose is a working student. Last Friday, he earned 145 pesos working as dishwasher in the morning and 85 pesos as balut vendor in the evening. He spent 65 for his meal. To find the amount left from his earning, which of the following equation is correct? A, B, C, and D. We soon bought 13 boxes of apple. If there is 85 apple per box and it costs 15 pesos, how much did he spend in all for the apples? A, B, C, and D. There are 4,000 students in Global Reciprocal College. If 4/5 of the students are female, how many are the males? 200, 450, 635, D, 800. Jason brought 50 toy cars in the school today. 7 students wanted to borrow 2 toy cars each. His best friend borrowed 5 toy cars. Then the 3 of the kids gave the 2 toy car back. How many toy cars are left for Jason to play with the other kid? Learning strand number 2. Numeracy, scientific thinking. Number 9. Allen Martha harvested 7,060 pieces of dragon fruit from last weekend. She distributed equally to 15 different supermarket in Metro Manila. If each dragon fruit costs 13.50, how much did each supermarket pay? Number 10. What is the surface area of rectangular box that is 7 centimeter long, 5 centimeter wide, and 3 centimeter high? 11. Mang Roy will paint the rectangular wall with length of 450 meter and width of 50 meter, and what is the area of the wall will be painted by Mang Roy. Susan bought the following ingredients to bake a banana bread for her D group: all-purpose flour, baking powder, butter, eggs, banana. How much will she get if she give a 500 bill to the store owner? Joe opened a coffee shop on Monday. The total sale of is 600 pesos, and it was tripled on Tuesday and Wednesday. On Thursday, he bought more copies ground amounting 2,300. On Friday, he earned 1,002. But unfortunately, the machine broke on Saturday, and the cost of repair is 1,750 each. How much is the total earnings of the shop that week? 14. If Angelo ran 3 kilometers east and Stanley ran 4 kilometers north, how many kilometers will they be apart? Look at the figure below, and how will the value of the circumference? There are 1,200 graduating students this year. Based on the data given by the registrar, this is 45% of the student population on the whole college. What is the total population of the college this school year? 17. Jay bought a new aquarium for his Arona piece with the dimension 11 meter by 3 meter by 7 meter. How many cubic meters of water will he need to fill the aquarium? 18. What is the area of triangular figure? 6 square units, 7 square units, 12 square units, 15 square units. In a map that uses a scale of 1 meter to mi, what is the value in meter of the distance 360 miles? For items 20 below is the list of menu of school canteen: notebook, pad, pencil, pens, watercolor, crayon, everything. 20. The father of Jerry and Andy brought them to the bookstore to buy some school supplies. They bought 2 boxes of crayon, 3 pieces of pen for each, and 1 piece each of eraser and roller. If the father gave 300 pesos to the cashier, how much change did he receive? Dante bought a pair of shoes to shirt for his brother. A pair of shoes costs 420, while a shirt costs 150. How much did he pay for the items? 22. Randy planned to buy a new car. He realized save 272,500 if the car costs for 1,090,000. What percent of the total price was his savings? Items 2325. How much is allotted for finance? Salt is a compound mineral. The following are property of salt except 27. Angie only eats poultry meat and mango beans as part of her diet. She drinks fresh fruit juice when thirsty. She likes to play a volleyball with her friend. At night, she goes to bed at 10 p.m. and wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. Which of the following diseases can be acquired by Angie? 29. Which of the following systems are involved in the processing, transporting oxygen, red blood cells, and distributing it to the different parts of the body? Carbon dioxide produced by the cells enters the capillaries and is transported to the lungs. The following are true about kwashiorkor. Yan. Study the convection current illustrated below. The mantle, the outer core, the inner core, the lithosphere. What is the effect of the two middle convection current in the crust? What layer of the earth does convection current occur? What happens in the inner core? What layer is composed of the crust of the upper mantle of the earth? Which of the following are signs that volcanoes may interrupt? Erupt. Okay. The volcano has erupted in the distant past. The volcano emits gas and steam. Growth of plants near the volcano. No activity of the earth near the volcano. So, ito'y tamang-tama current issues to sa Taal volcano. Earthquake. Usually occur in the same location of volcanoes. Does not occur along plate edge and along fault. Occurs with less volcanic activity. It's different phenomenon with volcanic eruption. So, there is an earthquake din kapag merong so scientific analysis. 44. 45 is the earthquake. Sorry, malabo Hindi ko alam bakit malabo talaga.